Okay. So this time we got some, like I think 8 or 10 from the batch 10 and batch 9 people. And some of the people are already not able to hear. Okay. Are you able to hear me, team? Team, can you please let me know? Are you able to? Okay, okay, great. So we have some more members because we are planning to at least every month in the first Saturday, planning to take these kind of a session. So that will be motivating lots of people, right? So I think majority of the people are struggling to cracking the interviews and all. Am I right, team? Many of the people are looking for a job change also. Yes. So the like and when someone will give you some kind of an insight, right? That will be kind of a sometimes it's like a relief. So that is the reason I just want to ask you like in the vision board community because someone words will motivate others. Even a second thing, when I was present classes and I was previously I was getting some kind of a promotion. I really want, you can understand, I really want someone to recognize me, my achievement, because that much of sleepless nights and a lot of struggles are faced. But in my case, no one gave any single gift to me. Okay. So how many of you feeling like this, team? I just want your answers also. It's like a token of appreciation. Whatever you face, even you if you get some kind of even a small chocolate also, like you are promoted. This is the recognition of your whatever the things you face, right? So this will be kind of a really good, I would say. That pain I know. That's why when the I just want to share some kind of a, even small, you can understand, even small also that will be motivate the people so at least that kind of an opportunity, I just want to coming into the vision board community. Okay. Yes. Okay. That is the one I just want to tell you because this I didn't get. That's why I just want to give from my end to the team who are achieved more success from the community and here. Okay, so we have some panelists. I will be sharing the detail. I will be calling you one by one. We can hear from there. And after that, I will be announcing the price also. Because obviously, it's kind of like a cash prize. So whoever make a recognition. And this is the first time we are introducing for a community. Okay, are you ready, team? I just want your answers. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. So I will be calling the first person. Mm, I think I'm just adding. Uh, it's like in Teja, we have, I would say, like, Ashudi was shared like in few other people. In whoever like can, if I'm mentioning in the chat, can you please mention your name in the chat? One is like in Subail Kumar. Subail, then no, I just want, I will be calling the names actually. So who can able to make in the chat? So your name actually. Subail, are you there? And Ubendra San, MD Moihudi, and Rameshwar Verma, Chippy, Manjari, Teja, Sai. Okay. If anyone of Upendra Singh is there, okay, I'm just one by one, I can invite here. No, I just want to whatever the calling. These are the people who like can make an achievement this time, who registered for us. So obviously, we will be calling those name one more time. If you are there, just mention your name. One is like an Ubay Sub 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 Supsil Kumar. Supsil, are you there? Upendra Sen, MD, Moyuddin, Rameshwar Verma, Chippy, Elsa, Manjari, and Teja, Kota, and Praveen. So these are the people, Sai. These are the people we take in the initial because we are getting like a lot of people, right? So obviously. So I'm just, yeah, okay. So I'm just inviting those people as a panelist. So you can just accept that one because otherwise we cannot able to. So inviting to Teja and Sushil. Okay, Teja, are you there? Sushil, Teja, are you able to hear me? Praveen also there.
Hey, hi, Devi.
Okay, 1 minute. Teja. Okay. So Teja, are you able to hear me?
Yes, Devi.
Okay. Can you on the camera also, Teja?
camera, my face is not good to show my face.
No, no, it's like
That's
a
why.
fine actually because this is kind of an award function, right? Obviously, people need to see our faces and all. So otherwise, it will be okay. You can come back. It will be fine. Okay, that is absolutely fine. Okay. Are you able to team actually?
Yeah, am
Okay,
I visible to you?
face is good, Teja. That is fine actually.
Yeah. Okay.
Teja, actually, I would congratulating again and again because, like I think this is Teja. Teja, you can introduce yourself. Actually, that is completely fine because one of the winner kind of thing. You are the inspiration to others, obviously.
Yeah.
Okay, team.
So my name is Teja. So currently I'm working with Columbus actually. Um, so previously I worked with the CGI as a .NET production support engineer. So after I joined to the vision board, so I learned a lot of things over there. So I attended the live classes along with the weekend weekend sessions. So Devi conducted us actually great sessions. So one-on-one sessions also. So if in case we will be having any doubts, so Devi
Obviously,
and the team
Teja,
will do the
more
reply.
than my effort, you put lot of effort, right? This is,
Yes,
I would say, like I am kind of a mentor, but the effort, I would say, like I'm not telling this is how my thing. So Teja put that much of effort. When I took the mock interviews, also upskilling is very important and hard working also very very important. So that is completely kind of a dedication happened from the Teja side. So I am the part of the journey. Okay, which I will give you like a kind of a big congratulations from my end also. Okay, team,
yeah,
give a
thank
big
you, Devi.
congratulations. The energy we needed. How many offer letter you cracked actually?
8 letters.
Yes, yes, because this is not an easy one. You can also see in the chat, right, Teja?
Yeah, thank
Okay,
you
you can
everyone for
see
the congratulating me.
one of the you are kind of the inspiration for them also who are making a kind of a things, right? So, and second thing, I think we can allocate it like in 5 minutes. How was the journey? Even the production support to the eight of a letter. We are upskilling. Okay. Even everyone in the IT industry, they can understand. We are upskilling only. There's no other option. Even I also coming from a
Yeah,
testing. Then later I told my manager I was upskill actually. Right? Everyone, like an AI will be coming, cloud is booming. So we are upskilling, take it. But how was the journey? Like, and there are a lot of learner curves and things are there.
yeah. So the thing is, like when I started learning the things from the data engineer side, like it was a bit tricky for me. Like as I work with the .NET production support engineer, I know SQL well actually, so that helps me a lot. So I followed a lot of things from the YouTube, from your sessions, and from the Udemy. So I done some of the POC projects on top of the data engineering projects. So like initially like it was hard for me to solve the problems, but subsequently I keep trying to solve the problems. So like it was a habituate for me after a couple of days. So I wrote the things in the SQL and then I tried it into the PySpark, and I also gather the like a coding questions from the vision board which provided in the interview kit. So that helps me a lot. Like when I attend the interviews for the first time, so first 2 to 3 interviews like I couldn't able to crack. Like I know the questions and all which they ask, and I keep trying, and I attended mock interviews which has been conducted by the vision board, along with we have some mock interviews from the YouTube as well, right? So that interviews also like I have followed. So yeah, that helps me a lot. So after first offer I cracked TCS. So after that like I didn't even miss a single interview. So all the interviews I have cracked along with EY, IBM, Capgemini, Accenture. Um, uh, yeah, these are the few things that I have few offer letters I have cracked. So I
Okay.
don't have a list. So 8 letters
Yeah, yeah,
like totally
I
I'm
can
having.
see actually your face also. It's like a really happy. There's a one more thing. Like, obviously the first offer letter we are getting like a very less package. So
Yes.
how much percentage? I'm not asking like a salary. How much percentage you can able to achieve compared to the past to current this one?
Um, so we can achieve. It's completely depending upon the skills that we achieve.
Mm, mm.
So we can achieve up to 70 to 140%.
Okay, okay,
between
great.
70 to 140%. So
Uh-huh.
if we attend for the product based company kind of, so they will be provide around like 200% also, and
Okay.
everything like completely based on the base package. I mean,
Uh,
whatever current package we are holding, so based on that they will be offered.
yes, yes. You can,
Yeah,
team, you can understand this is the one thing. Base package is always important. People, if sitting in a comfort zone, it will not be there. But Teja, you did or you are made a one big thing in your life. I'm just congratulating again and again. Okay, so
thank you,
and
Devi.
one more thing in the vision board, you are one of the top winner from the community. So the cash prize would be 5,000 for you. Okay, so we
Yeah,
will be share it for you soon as a gift. This is you can think like a gratitude gift from us. So because we don't have the ability to conduct a physical meetup, right? We are sitting in a
yeah,
different.
yeah.
You are from Teja, I think.
I'm from Andhra.
Andhra,
I'm
obviously,
from
I'm from
Andhra.
Kerala. So I
Yeah,
have a
yeah, I know, I know.
limitation, right? So that's why I think I can able to give you this kind of a small gift from here. So next time also, I just want like in the next, I would say like after completing this company, we need a next gem also. That time I also want you as a winner actually.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Okay, are
Yeah,
you happy?
I'm happy. Yeah, obviously. So
Okay,
I joined in the company in
uh,
the last week itself. Yeah. So
okay.
currently I'm understanding the things and all. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I'll ping you like if in case I'll be having any doubts on top of it.
Yeah, yeah, you can ping me, Tej. I will be there actually. Don't need to worry. Okay. So thanks for
Yeah.
sharing your insight. Actually, team, just one more time. How was the Tejas? Like, we can give one more thing in the chat, right? At least for him. Okay. Yeah, I think people are. You can see here, Teja. People are congratulating you, right? So this is the one more thing. Great. Thanks, Teja. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah. Thanks. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Then I'm just inviting to next guest. So, Subail, are you there? I just want to because we don't have that much of time. Otherwise, I will. Subail, are you there? Subail, can you please let me know? I just send you an invite into the stage also. Yes. Subail, are you too?
Yeah, Devi.
Hi, hi, Subail.
Hi, Devi and team.
Okay.
First of
Uh,
all, thank you all of you guys that you put it the efforts and you encourage me to do the things and achieve the targets. That is very grateful from Vision Board and especially to Devi that every time Devi encouraging us that we have to do and
Thanks,
we have to
Subail.
achieve that one.
Because your effort also, I'm not sure because when I took the mock interviews, right, you achieved a very big thing. I'm not disclosing the thing. Maybe I just kind of a well, maybe you can give us some more like an insight, right? Even experience is increasing. I'm getting one of the query like how people can get like a more package in the market. So
Yeah,
can
Devi.
you, if you give some kind of insight, it will be good. Subail also one of our winner from the Vision Board committee. You can ask in the chat also, Subail. He will answer all the queries.
Yeah, Devi, that thing is that to get the achievement, it's not just like a shortcuts or a one night journey like that one. We have to spend and we have to consistency. So the pillar of the vision board is the consistency is very impactful thing for us to get
Thank
the
you. Thank you for
achievements and all the things, the journey of our movement from the existing one to newer one. So the thing is that in this one we can involve ourselves and team and help take a help from the team that is giving from the vision board team that many of the persons are giving their efforts and they are trying to close their our things that they are not trying to close the vision board things, they are trying to close the our things that are things, and we have to do the things with the consistencies and all the things which we are going on. I am doing the things also on the same basis and do following the guidelines by the Devi and the team at the last that it is in this thing that we have to do the things ourselves only. They are
Mhm.
doing the efforts, but we have to give our 100%, not the 100%, we have to give the 200% from our side also. that will
exactly.
the more positivity and things. So by doing these things we will get more and more things.
Yeah,
And
yeah. I think Subail, one more thing. Subail has 14 years of experience. Obviously, I would say like he's like an one of the like an best thing in his life did. So I am how many rounds, Subail? I think 6 rounds, right?
yeah, Devi, that was the 6 rounds, but
Mm.
eventually the last round also get extended and it's
Mm.
completed by the 7 rounds. So in the
Okay, okay.
same company, I have not received any much more offers. Only
Mm.
I am focusing on the single one, and I
Mm.
achieved that one. And
Exactly.
the things with the patience and with the things, the waiting period of that one. Every
Mm.
time when you are giving the interview of that round and you have to wait for the 10 to 15 days like that one, and the things is going on, and after that uh, I just got a shock by giving the first one L1 in round, and they called me after a 10 days and they are saying that you are shortlisted and you are our top 5 candidate, that one in that case. So that
Uh-huh.
is my very shocking to me, because I have not accepted that one, that it would be there. Because
Okay.
while doing the interview I also make some mistakes. This is
Mm-hmm.
not a first interview. I'm
Mm.
give the multiple interviews and try to do the things also, but it's see, it's not like a I already told that it's not a one day journey or one night journey like that one. We
Exactly.
have
It's
to
like a
dig
kind
more
of
and
a
more. Hmm.
series of journey actually.
Yes,
See,
yes, yes.
obviously, I would say this is not an easy. So, obviously, like a social with like an achieve like an I think 18 LPA to almost 300 percentage kind of package, right?
Yeah,
I mean,
it's a 380 percentage something like that.
percentage
And
of
it is the second time that first time I achieve with the 100%,
uh,
which I currently resigned the company. That
uh,
was the 100% of my previous to previous organization. And
okay.
now it's a great one that more than 300 plus is that one.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's a
Team,
very
just give a big congratulation. I'm also giving a big
thank you all.
congratulations
Thank you,
from my end.
Devi. Thank you, team.
Because this is the energy, right? You can see in the chat also, Subail, because
Yes,
people
yes.
need this one, right?
Yeah,
So,
senior data engineer is the position, and in that
uh,
position, they have the multiple things, and most of the part in that all round which I faces now, so 3 rounds, which is the technical rounds. Rest
mm,
all is the managerial rounds and and communication rounds, which we have
uh-huh.
to work the on more part of that one. That it
Oh,
is not like that one, that if we completed the technical rounds and all the things it's completed. No, we have to
okay.
go for the communication also, because
Um,
company is looking for that in senior position. Then you
mm,
have to be communicate with the different stakeholders and the leaderships of the company. So
mm,
that is also more important as parallelly with the technical skills. So I
uh-huh.
suggested, and I also suggested Devi also, vision board also, that please be focused on the more part of with the technical and
Mm,
communication also parallelly. So it will be more
exactly.
helpful the all other and future candidates also.
Yeah, yeah, definitely, Sushil. Thanks for your valuable feedback because
Yeah, yeah,
in a mission, when you placing more people, obviously you can understand leadership, speaking confidently, everything is the part of the transition. Otherwise, it will be kind of a, I will definitely implement but from the batch and onwards, whatever the suggestion you are given, Sushil, and one more help from your end. Maybe
yeah.
you can
Thank
the
you.
part of this our vision board also. Maybe you can guide the people if you have a more experience,
Yeah,
right?
Devi, we will talk about on this one, and
Sure, sure.
I
That is
will try to
completely fine.
do that one also. So it will
Uh-huh.
very proud thing for me also do part of
Exactly.
the vision board team. It's
Yeah, yeah.
very good thing.
Thank you. Thank you, Sushil. And I think people are, we can see in the chat also, right? People are like congratulating you. This is not
Yeah,
a, it's kind of a big achievement.
yes,
So
Devi.
I would say like you need to recognize in the like in the community and also that's why I just inviting you here. So I can see in the chat also.
Sure, Devi, I will try to do my best and help
Yeah,
to the
yeah.
team members and community also in
Uh-huh.
whenever I get a chance in the
Uh-huh.
future also, time to
And
time
we
also.
also sure, we also initially when they took the mock interview, right? I also sure so she'll definitely get like a good package because that much of effort and energy you put. I think your family also happy. I can see the happiness actually around
Yes,
you.
yes, David. They all are congratulating, and they are just planning for given a party,
Oh,
throw a party
nice.
or around the every relationship following. They are just preparing a list for the party, throwing that one. That how many
Okay.
people should be there. They are just making an event like that one. This is a marriage event, like. So they are treating like me that one, that you are a newly groom. The thing is that,
That is really nice. If you are in Kerala, I will definitely, because you're in Mumbai, right? So I don't have to reach there with my kids. So
no issue, Devi.
um,
We will try, and hope we will meet in future,
sure,
face to face
sure.
also.
That will be completely fine. I would also happy for that one. Okay. I think you can also see the people are congratulating you. You are also happy, right?
Yes, yes, Devi. I am very happy, Devi.
Okay, okay, okay.
I am
So
looking
I'm
from the last 10 year that one, and I am trying to do the things. But at last,
uh,
anyhow, I used to scroll the social media, and I
uh,
get a notification, and one reel is there
hmm.
that how to achieve from 10 LPA to 1 CR. So I got shocked that one, that it would be the help or like that
Uh-huh.
one. So
Okay.
I, after doing that one, I did thought about that one, all the things that it will be like that one. See, there are multiple things, and some peoples are doing the scams also. So I am thinking that one, it's
Definitely.
actual, or it's a scam thing like
No,
that.
no. Actually,
So
what will happen
no,
at
I
our
am saying that
immediate
one, that
fraction,
what
10
I
to
thought
in
in that
between
time.
10.
I am sharing that one, that what I thought that time, because many of the people are asking for that one, that, and we give you that one, and they give the recorded session of something like that one, or
Exactly.
animated like other things. I check with my multiple peoples and all other things, that, and after
Uh-huh.
that I decided to go with the vision board, and I am enrolled to the course,
Okay, okay.
and that is
What
the
happened, right?
very
In
good.
between 10 to, I would say like 10, not 2, directly not 2, 10 to 10 between in 1.0.
Yeah,
That is
yeah,
what
in between that,
we
that is
thought
correct.
actually. Team was edited like that. Okay. That anyway, that reel will be change your life, right? That is completely fine actually.
Yeah, they definitely, it will be huge changes in my career opportunities, and things will get more better, and it's like that one. Now we can feel like that one, that if we are sometimes we are thinking now that luxury is the happen or not. So now the
Exactly.
luxury happened.
Exactly. So this will be happen in your life also.
Yes,
Obviously,
yes.
it will be good. And one more thing, Sushil. Obviously, team, I'm just announcing one of the gifts. So he's the currently Vision Board highest winner in the, I would say, like an Indian highest winner. So I can give a special gift to him also. It's like an almost 6,000 rupees. It's like a gift voucher, Sushil.
Thank you
So
very much.
basically, you can think about it like a kind of a gratitude gift.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Thank you,
So
Devi, for that
kind
one.
of an effort you put, that's why we are. Anyway, I'm just sending the gift and all to people. But sometime what will happen? Some gift was not liked by people. So I think at least whatever, if I'm given a gift voucher, you can purchase whatever you want. That is
Yeah,
completely
no
fine.
issue, Devi. That is the gratitude from your side, that you are
Yeah,
just
yeah.
cheer up to me that one, that what I achieved that one, and it's
Thank
you are also part of that achievement. That is the more thing for me.
That is fine actually, because initially I didn't get any kind of a gift from anyone. So I feel like even if someone is given a small gift, I also am really happy. So that's why when I'm sending the gift, right, I feel more like an energy. I really loved it. So that's why I'm just sending. So I'm just congratulating one more time with
Thank you all.
whatever,
Thank you.
whatever you
Thank
are
you.
achieved at
Yeah.
this moment. You can see in the chat also, people
Yes, yes,
also
yes.
getting like a more thing. Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Will, for
Thank,
social for the like and coming to here and sharing your thoughts and all. Thank you. You can see in the
thank
vision
you.
board community again.
Yes, Devi, Devi. We will
Okay.
talk and try to get to it.
Sure, sure.
Thank. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah. Then I'm just connecting to other. Praveen, are you there? So team, due to the time limitation, I'm just connecting this way. Um, Praveen, are you able to come to the meeting? I'm just inviting you as a panelist. Praveen, are you there? Okay. Yeah. Praveen, are you able to hear me?
Hello?
Yes, yes. Praveen, are you able to hear me now?
Yeah, yeah, we can able to hear you. Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, great.
Yeah.
Team, you can give congratulate. Praveen, I'm just congratulating for
Okay,
your
thanks,
profile.
Teja. Thanks.
So,
Thank you so much.
8.5 years of experience, you can achieve like an, I would say like, you can tell me to the people. I'm not telling
All
the
right.
salary and all.
Okay,
So
okay.
this is like a kind of a big achievement. So I'm
Right,
just inviting to Praveen also telling the like a kind of a motivation.
right. Basic, I'll start from my resignation. So
Okay.
what happened is like I was working as a lead data engineer itself. So I was a lead there. I was so we completed like as actually I'm a data engineer from past 8 years, but because every time we need a brush up, right? So we need to have some
Exactly.
learning also every time. It's need to be there because it's data engineering. Every time new things will be coming up, and we need to learn each and every part of it, right? So uh, coming to my resignation, so what happened is like I was doing well, but there was no recognition at all. Um, there is not even a single recognition because I delivered like almost 6 pipelines, I think. Yeah, 6 pipelines.
Mm.
That has like batch and streaming, but that is into GCP. But
Ah,
so
ah.
all of a sudden, manager was like coming to me and saying
Mm,
like you have a performance issue. I said,
mm,
where I have the performance issue, just show me that. And he was also mentioning like a lot of escalations were happening and all.
mm,
And all of
mm,
a sudden, one day after the new year, so he
mm.
came to me and he said like, you need to move to the support plan.
Oh.
And so I was in a shock. Actually, what happened and all. So I was talking to HR, and also I
Mm-hmm.
was talking to manager why all these things were happening because I was like data engineer. I was doing well. Everything was fine. Uh,
Okay.
but one day there was a meeting happened with me, manager and HR, and they were mentioning like you don't have an option. You have to move to the support plan. So they were
Mm-hmm.
showing some plan and all. I said, no, I don't want to go with that because it's not my skill set at all. So I'm not going to do that. So
Okay.
on the spot, what they were saying is like, you have another option called you need to resign. So that is the only option you have. And
Okay.
the other option would be you need to go move to the support team. So
Okay.
I have confidence. I choose like to resign. So they gave me like
Mm.
2 months of notice period. After that day itself, I got this vision board class actually. So
Okay.
I joined in like the day before itself. I joined and I was uh, I was registered. And
Mm-hmm.
after that day, and I think my resume also I tailored it from what's her name? I forgot.
Ashuri, right? Ashuri.
Ashwati, yeah, yeah.
Yes.
So
She
she
told
sent,
initially show your resume also. I
yeah,
was
yeah,
agreed that will be good actually. With some kind of thing will be, but it will be good actually.
right. So, but after her, like she sent some documents.
Ah.
So I went through that. So I
Mm-hmm.
went through that and I tailored my resume and I submitted on LinkedIn. So after one day itself, I got like some 100 calls.
Nice.
One day
Ah.
itself, like after
That's the power
tailoring,
of resume, right? The
yeah,
direction, character direction is playing a vital role.
right. After
Uh-huh.
after one tailoring into the I've added
Mm.
this Azure part and Databricks. So all those
Okay.
things I've added. So
Uh-huh.
after that, next day itself in LinkedIn, I saw like 100 messages on my chat actually. So
Uh-huh.
I was surprised. So this is like power of resume I was seeing there. So
Uh-huh.
that's what I thought. And after that, even I was also going through your batch 9 recordings, right? So that were like very helpful. So like it was very helpful to me actually. Um, Databricks, PySpark. So those are like I've I have attended like 100 interviews. If you can remember, if I can remember, I was attended
Uh-huh.
like 100 interviews. In
Uh-huh.
every interview, I see the same question from your document itself, not like beyond
Exactly.
that, not like beyond that. That the only thing is like the change of what do you call the change of the question. What they
Mm.
were asking is like it's the question has been changing here and there. So
Mm-hmm.
that is the only difference I saw. Even
Okay.
PySpark coding questions also, right? Majorly,
Uh-huh.
it was all from your
Coming from.
document itself,
Okay.
from your document. Even I don't even know Fabric, right? I don't know Fabric. When I went through your recording on the Fabric, right? Then I cracked like the first job I cracked is like on the Fabric itself because they gave me they gave me this what do you call they gave me the assessment. So in that assessment, there were like a lot of questions. Based
Okay.
mostly it was Fabric. So what they
Okay.
were doing is like they were moving Databricks pipelines to the Fabric. So I've answered
Hmm.
every question. I've answered each
Oh,
and every question, and even I did the design also, like
okay.
based on your
Everything you did, right?
everything,
There.
everything I
Okay.
did. So
Oh,
on next day itself they released the offer,
okay.
but that was the first one, and after that I got an offer from Quantech. So that is also
Uh-huh.
it was totally Databricks.
Hmm.
So they were like looking for a Databricks developer mostly. So their
Uh,
client was a Databricks itself. So
Oh,
yeah, their major
directly
client was
client also Databricks, right?
Databricks.
So which made
Yeah,
the
they
interview
want.
was also tough.
It was very tough. Like
Okay.
second round was
Uh,
it was a very tough. He was asking what he was asking. I don't remember, but mostly he was asking database questions itself, like how you can optimize, how you can
Oh,
auto load, like what is an auto loader, and
all
how you
order
can.
is the
Uh,
ordering, these kind of stuff,
yeah,
right? Okay.
totally. It was those questions,
Mm-hmm.
but uh, it was a magic for me actually. I
Uh-huh.
can say that it was a magic actually. Um I cracked totally like nine offers.
Okay.
All in nine, seven were top, and others were it was around 10-15% of hike, but others were mostly like 40 to 50%. So
Okay.
all other six or seven like they were totally like 40 to 50% of hike.
Uh-huh.
So
Okay.
and also the other one, this was like totally the last I've selected is like Coforge,
Uh-huh.
right? So I thought of joining there because they were also like insisting me, we need a
Join you
person,
there, right?
we need a person immediately who can join. So
Okay.
yeah, the joining was 26th. So
Uh-huh.
the joining was 26th. On 24th, I emailed my manager to give me 25th was the last working day. He approved it. And what happened 24th evening itself, I got a call
Uh-huh.
from EasyML.
Oh,
Uh, EasyML, like he was looking my resume and he was saying like it was a great fit. So I just want to reach you, and it was a remote position. Even
okay.
from the starting itself, I was looking for a remote position. It was
Uh-huh.
totally remote.
Oh,
So he just spoke to me in 1 hour.
uh-huh.
What he was saying is like, if you can give me an assurance, I can onboard you tomorrow. So that
Oh,
is what
that kind of thing he called me. Right? You can see the power, right? So,
yeah,
I mean, I would say I would just congratulate him because nine offer letter is like a single one. So,
yes,
Praveen took whoever insult to, right, Praveen, in front of the
yes.
people, right?
Even
So,
yeah,
you took a decision. I want to resign. I want to show them that is the one thing
right.
will change your life. 8.25 years, 45, 44 LP is like a not an easy task. I would say again. Okay. Because
Yes,
10 plus years only can able to touch like an
right,
15
right.
these things, but you did like an amazing job, even nine offer letters.
Even
Okay.
they were mentioning like we were looking
Uh,
for like some around 9-10 years experience. But
uh,
by looking at your resume, we were like considering it for the higher positions. So that was
exactly.
they mentioned.
Rather than, I would say, not a resume. Resume is a playing a
Yeah,
vital role, but how you prepared, right?
right.
You deserve a lot of things in the company. You put a lot of commitment, but no one like can recognize you are a kind of a gem. That was the thing. That was the
Yes,
wrong decision. I would say, like that manager and HR was took.
right, right.
Majority of the people are sitting like this. But you
Yeah.
put the abort from the comfort zone, what will happen? You get like and more things
E-
are waiting for you.
Even
Right?
my friend
Uh,
suggested is like why haven't you took that support plan? Why you
mm,
have resigned it? You should have
mm,
took it as a challenge and you should have completed it. Then I said
yeah, yeah.
no, I don't want to do that because that is not my skill set.
Mm,
I have a confidence that I can get another job, but I
exactly.
haven't I haven't I haven't thought like I'll be going this far, because
Uh,
it was totally around close to 50%, like
okay.
49% I say. It was like
Mm-hmm.
49% of um, I haven't thought that actually, but with your all those documents and all those classes where I went through, right? Even
Other
I
than
thought
your, I would say like the resume, your effort, everything will be.
right, right,
When you can see in the chat, right? Now you are inspiration for majority of the, you can see in the, you can able to see in the chat, right? Maybe you can
right.
give a thank you to them also. They are also
Thank
one
you
of
so
the
much. Actually, yeah, it was the major.
exactly.
I have my 50%, but 50% was from Vision Board. So that was I was very thankful to you guys actually. even I got an on-site opportunity for Dubai, so
Oh,
I rejected that
really?
because yeah,
Okay, 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 got it.
the
So
first
it was
one,
big. Mm.
yeah, first one was a that was an Oman, no, Jordan opportunity. So that was a
Okay.
first one, but
Mm.
I don't want to go there because it's like okay,
Exactly.
but
You want to go to
yeah,
on-site and all, right?
yeah,
Yes.
because even I got Dubai opportunity, but
Uh-huh.
I rejected it because of the family and all. I just
Mm.
don't want to go there, and I thought of like
Mm.
um, staying back here itself. Even
Okay.
I joined this company yesterday, 26th itself. It's
Uh-huh.
been like 2 days already. Like in one day, I was
Praveen, you
like
have a
onboarded.
power. I would say like you are a power. It is the best decision you took in your life, like and
Yeah,
rather
right.
than going into the support. If you know, when I was working in Wipro, right, I got some kind
Mm-hmm.
of a these plan. So that time I decide I never want to. I would want to pay. I would put that one of the decision changed my
Right,
life
right.
completely. So when
Yes,
you share your story, right? So when I remember that kind of a phase. So
yes.
everyone we need to out from the comfort zone. That is very important because
Yeah.
out from the comfort zone, whatever you're showing, right? It's kind of a highly motivation. I'm just giving a one congratulations
Well,
for you from my end.
thank you so
Okay.
much. Yeah, yeah. Thanks for that actually, because without you guys, I couldn't able to crack this because it was very helpful. But I haven't joined live classes, but the recordings itself I went through because even I've gone through your interview mock interviews, even um, what do you call it? The job, not job description. When the interview starts, right, they'll be asking about our backgrounds and all, so previous
Mm.
projects and all. So those also, from there itself, I took like a lot of information actually. I prepared a document also, like I prepared
Nice.
I prepared like
Nice.
total end-to-end pipeline also. So, and
Okay.
also I prepared the interview questions also I prepared from those things, and also like challenges, what are the challenges would be will be
Very good
facing.
thing. No.
So everything was there. So I just
Okay.
took those notes and I was like preparing on those itself. And other
Okay.
than that, like interview questions was like very helpful actually. I say that. Yeah,
Got it,
that was
Praveen.
very good. Yeah.
That is really because you upskill because everyone is
Mm.
upskilling, right?
Yeah.
Without upskilling, we cannot able to jump. Everyone know people are upskilling and joined a company, so that is
Right. Right.
absolutely fine. And I think in the coming days, we need your support also in the vision
No,
board
sure,
community
sure. I'll
as a
be
mentor because you can
even.
able to guide the people.
Right, right. Even I was also saying, right, my wife is also looking for a change, so I
Exactly,
sent you a
exactly.
resume.
She's
Yeah,
also there. I will take it.
yeah,
Don't need to worry.
right,
Okay,
right,
because within 4 months, he's also get like a good package. You will be
right,
settled. Okay.
right. Right. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for like even
Okay.
I'm very, very, very thankful to you guys, people. Like, yeah, you were amazing. So it's yeah,
Thank you, Praveen. Thanks for your word.
thanks.
These words will motivating us also, right?
Right, right. Even
So at
yeah,
least helping, not telling we are fully helping. At least we can,
right,
whatever we can do our maximum. At least getting the offer letter. So this is only
right.
like a human thing we can do from our end,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Because yes,
Okay. So
yes.
your wife would be settled for May, max
That's fine.
May. We will be getting another offer letter with a good
All right. Thanks.
letter. Okay, I will take care. Don't need to
Yeah,
worry.
sure, sure. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thanks. One more thing, team. I just want to announce to Praveen gift also. Praveen, you are another winner from your package and all. Like, and I would say like an 8.5
Mm.
years, 45 LP is not an easy one, and 9 offer letter. So I
Right.
would say like an 6,000 would be the like a gratitude
Yeah.
gift. So we will be sharing soon. You are from Praveen?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Obviously, I'm
Mm.
not able to reach there with my
No,
baby.
that's fine.
If I will come, definitely we can meet.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, sure. We'll meet actually. Yeah.
Okay, okay, sure. Thanks, Praveen. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks so much. Then.
Yes. Then I'm inviting to 1 minute, team. I will inviting to um so taken the name actually. Rameshwar, are you there? I'm just Rameshwar, are you there? I just invite you to the stage actually. Yes. Hi,
Yeah.
Ramesh.
Yeah. Hi. Good evening.
Previously, we looks like this kind of a mock interview. So
Yeah.
that time I told Ramesh, your background is so good, like a kind of a professional way. So
Yeah.
I'm just inviting you also for the community. So I
Yeah.
think I just want to connect. You can see in the chat also, Ramesh. Ramesh, maybe you can introduce how many offer letter you cracked and how was the journey also.
Yeah, sure. So, like, first of all, congratulations to the earlier, the offer letter crack guys, like Praveen, Tej, and Sushil, everyone. Heartful congratulations. And Devi, before going to my journey, so I'm first, heartfelt thank you to you. So I'm deeply grateful to my mentor for delivering one of the
Right.
most impactful Azure data engineering courses I have ever taken. And also your structured teaching and practical approach and the constant encouragement helped me not only master the concepts but also crack multiple offer letters. So, and first of all, thank you for shaping my skills and strengthening
Thank
my
you.
confidence.
See, one more thing I just want to add you. In the batch, Ramesh is playing a like an I would say like consistent. One of the good quality. Even the mock interviews also, I would say like one of the best thing I just took in the like in sessions. So when you perform, right, I was also remember, okay, you will be getting I think 10 to 12 offer letter anyway.
Mm.
So I think on the way, in the
Yes,
coming stage, I think you are in the notice period, right, Amisha?
yes,
So you
yes,
can able to get like a more offer letter. That
yes,
is we are waiting actually. So I just playing a some of the role as a mentor, but compared to like in the 12 years of 10 plus years of experience, Amisha also playing I think a structured way of learning. That is we needed upskilling. So I always congratulating that method. So I need this how you achieve this Amisha, that structured way
yes.
you attended preparation, right? Obviously struggle will be there.
Yes. So fasting. So I sit in a comfort zone. Devi. So whatever the
Okay.
project which I have been assigned to, so I'm working on under SQL Server.
Uh-huh.
So yeah. So I was already stuck in that comfort zone till last
Mhm.
6 years. So on one day, one fine day, so when scrolling this Insta, so I saw your reel, which is more popular actually, which is more trend. So that 10 LPA to 1 crore. So which took my interest, and I have clicked the link and joined the webinar. And from there, and, it got shaped my entire journey actually. So from there, I consistently, watched all your videos. So I got aligned with SQL. So the first approach I took was, so I covered SQL from scratch again from the start. So I
Okay.
covered all the concepts and I started practicing lead codes and all. So
Uh-huh.
first thing, whatever the suggestion to all the new beginners is, you need to shape your SQL skills. So
Oh,
once you have shaped it, so PySpark, so you can get over with ease. So that's the one solution. So you need to, I mean, begin the SQL skills from scratch. So whatever the
mm,
functions and whatever the operations involved in it. So window functions, aggregation. So how you have to use it. So what is the use of it? So why can't we go with other options like group by instead of window? So you need to, shape yourself in such a way that you need to be able to, focus on each and every, option and feature available in SQL. So that's the only
okay.
thing you need to be focused morely. So whenever you, going for an interview. So
Uh-huh.
the next thing is the project. So
Mm,
whatever the videos which you have, shared and documented. So that's all is hardly and morely enough. More than enough in
okay.
order to crack any interview.
Mhm.
So and prepare a checklist. So in such a
Uh,
way that, for example, always focus on a real world based problem scenario whenever any going to an interview. So for example, make a checklist of whatever the option and features available in Databricks. So make a checklist that, for example, so I'm getting multiple small files daily.
mm,
So what we have to do? So I need to
uh,
use optimize or any functionality in such a way. So and another checklist is, so we do have multiple large data sets. Fact and
mm,
data sets are very large in size. So what you have to do? So, for example, if one is large and one is medium, so what we have, so in such a way, prepare a checklist, whatever all
mm,
the functionalities available in PySpark and Databricks. So, prepare a
uh-huh.
checklist. What is the use of it, the feature, and what we have to, do in order to achieve that in a real world manner. So, use
Okay.
ChatGPT, Copilot, so everything, whatever the AI tools which you have available. So, prepare a checklist and make attend multiple mock interviews. so which will be enough to get an easily, I mean, crack the interview. And in this ways, I have cracked the till now 5 offer letters, Devi.
Five offer letters.
Today, I
Okay.
cracked Cognizant, which is
Uh,
walking. Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Team, you can give a big, I'm just giving again one more big congratulations from mine because five offer letter, like in 12 plus years, right? It's not an easy one.
No, no, six
Okay.
plus years.
Six plus, sorry, 6 plus years. It's like a not an easy one. I would say like this will be kind of a big achievement. I would say like you can easily see in the chat, right? People also motivating you. So 12 plus is another person. Sorry, I just forgot actually. We can
Yeah.
see. So like one more thing, Ramesh, like even attending like an interviews, you can feel like an initial days. Obviously, rejections will be there. How you manage those things?
Yeah, so I mean, so I attended Accenture, which is my first interview, Devi. So when I shaped myself transition into Azure data engineer, so I cracked it. So I haven't faced
Okay.
any challenges till now. So then
Uh-huh.
I attended LTI Mindtree, so which I
Uh-huh.
cracked. So as I said, right. So I made the checklist before going to any interview, Devi. So I have
Oh.
prepared myself in a such a way that I have, I mean, analyzed all the features in it. So whatever, I mean, what are the advantages and what we have to, I mean, why we have to use it. So in such
Uh,
a way, I prepared a checklist. So whenever if they ask any question, so I can able to easily answer.
answer those things, right?
And
Okay.
also coming to the coding, you have to, I mean, make yourself, I mean, at least practice for 1 hour at least. So whatever all the features, I mean, whatever all the solutions available in online or any which you have provided docs, right? So you
Uh-huh.
have to make yourself such a way that you have to solve the solution in PySpark as well in SQL. So
Okay,
yeah, you
great.
have to follow this approach. You have to
Uh-huh.
answer the same question in PySpark and SQL. So
Uh-huh.
whenever in an interview ask you in such a way any question, so you can able to make yourself more proactive that you have to solve this question in SQL and PySpark so that you will get a better, I mean, what we call the good impression.
Okay, okay, that is really nice actually. I would say like because team, this is the one thing. Even working is completely different, interview is different. So basically we have a structured Rameshwar is already mentioned the first interview itself he cracked. So that is called a structured way arranging the things. So basically this is one of the big thing Rameshwar for you achieved. I think remaining to 1 more month or 2 more months will be rest, right?
Yes, Dev, yes. Two
Okay.
months will be there. Yeah.
2 months will be a rest. You can understand, but 2 months is crucial. Last phase, you will be getting like a more like calls and all.
Yeah.
So basically, after you getting all the things, you just one more time just come to the vision board. Okay. So
Sure, sure.
definitely, maybe well, getting like a better opportunity that time we can show to the people. Give a big congratulations. At least even in the five offer letter he cracked, right?
Yeah.
You
Thank you.
can see in the chat also. Are you happy, Ramesh?
Yeah, I'm so much happy, Devi. So why?
Okay.
Because I mean, I wasted my all these 6 years of career, so sitting in a comfort zone.
Uh-huh.
So these 3 months under your guidance and mentorship has changed my career completely. So I can able
Thank you.
to give guidance to any other newcomers and my co-relatives or co-colleagues. So in such a way, I
Thank you
should.
for your word also because I am also grateful. At least people are telling, right? At least as a human, I can influence your life. Maybe I struggle. No one in my life, no one gave a direction, right? So that is the reason, as much as I can possible, I can able to. So it will
Yes.
be thanks for your words also, Ramesha. We are expecting more offer letter from
Yeah,
your end. So I
sure.
can see in the chat also, like
Yeah.
an Vishnu mentioned how many months you prepared. How many months you prepared, Ramesha?
So I've started this course in August, Devi. So till then,
Uh-huh.
I used to cover your courses. That's all. I haven't had any practice till then. So in
Oh.
December, I started this practice.
Uh-huh.
So beforehand, so I have covered SQL from
Hmm.
August to November daily,
Uh,
not that serious. So I
uh-huh.
have daily I make myself at least 1 hour
Mhm.
only to practice SQL. So that too not
Okay.
that much of serious. So I started completely from December first week onwards. Seriously.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so I
Okay.
reviewed all your videos and all. So first
Uh-huh.
thing. So whatever the documents which you have shared, the interview questions asked, and also the company-wise interview questions. So I've gone
Mhm.
through all those. So I
Okay.
made myself available for I mean the whole day. Once my shift
Mhm. Okay, great. So, Vishnu, this is the answer actually. So I think next award night, Rameshwar, you will be getting like a more offer in the hand. But today,
Thank
I'm
you.
just inviting like a small gratitude gift. So at the end, okay, just complete your 3 months. Maybe I can expect like a 10 plus offer letter in your hand.
Sure,
More
sure.
than that also.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, just focus like a 300 percentage high. That is the
Sure.
one target you can achieve, easily achieve.
Yeah,
Okay,
sure.
so today I'm just given a small gratitude gift, almost 3,000 rupees
Yeah,
for the cash prize. So you can like whatever you want, just do that one. It's a kind of a gratitude gift. And after like maybe I think April, right? April or May, come again to Vision Board, share your success story, and focus on more on the Microsoft, these kind of a companies also. Okay,
sure.
if you need the referral, let me know. I can able to refer those companies also.
Sure, then, sure, definitely.
Okay. Yeah.
Thanks also.
Thanks, Rameshwar. Thank you. I think you can
Thank
see in
you.
the chat also. Team, thanks for at least who are congratulating Rameshwar. We can get like a more. We need this gem actually.
Yeah, bye.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Rameshwar. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
this one.
Yeah.
Yes. Then I'm just inviting to um MD Mohiuddin. MD, are you there? I think MD, are you there? I just want to. Can you please mention in the chat? Are you there? Um, I'm not able to. That is another winner from the vision board. MD, are you there? Can you please let me know? No, I think in the chat you can mention also. That is fine. I think MD is not there. So he will join later. Okay. Next one, I would say like three more people will be there. And Chippy, are you there? Okay, I can one more one thing. Manjari. Okay, Manjari, then I will come back to Chippy. Manjari, are you there? Manjari, are you able to there? Manjari, can you come to the stage? Okay. Manjari, are you able to hear me?
Hello, am I audible?
Hello? Yeah, you are audible, Manjari.
Okay.
Um, Team, are you able to hear Manjari? Manjari, can you turn on the camera also? Is
Yeah,
it
yeah.
possible?
Just
Manjari, are you able to hear me? I think. Hello? Manjari, are you able to hear me? Chippy is there. Okay. Manjari, are you able to hear me? Otherwise, um, okay. No worries. When the Manjari will be coming, we can ask to the Chippy also. I would say like, Chippy, are you there? Manjari, I'm just taken 1 minute time. Then you can come back. That is completely fine. Uh, yes. Chippy, are you there? Chippy, can you join?
Hi, Dedi.
Hi, Chippy. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Hope you are also doing good.
Yeah, I'm also doing good. So,
Okay.
Chippy, So I'm just inviting to Chippy. Chippy, I would say you are kind of an inspiration story for the vision board. Maybe you can see in the chat also, people can get like a more idea. So
Yeah.
9 years, right, Chippy? So
Yes,
nine,
yes.
9 years, kind of a 4 LPA. So Chippy
Yeah.
made like kind of a 300% kind, 300 kind of thing,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So that is kind of a big gem. Even
Yes.
I can understand the struggle of a
Yeah.
new mom and lady. So,
Yeah.
but Chippy put that much of effort. So we need to give more kind of a congratulation to her. Chippy, I'm just
Thank you.
congratulating from one more time from my end. I just want
Thank you,
to
Devi.
see you soon, okay? Because we are in the same location. Definitely, I would
Yeah.
say that we will come, okay?
Yeah.
Yes,
Many times we planned, like it couldn't make.
exactly. This time, okay, because
Yeah.
the March month it will be happen anyway.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
I would say, like, Chippy, how was the journey? I would say it's not an easy one. So, how was the
Yeah.
journey, initial stage?
So, I saw vision board ad while scrolling through the this one social media, and
Everyone
I
just
was yeah.
mentioned they think vision board is 10 to 1.0. It's not like that. Initially, that was my actually spelling mistake. 10 between 1.0. I will ask to the team to change that one. Okay. But that reel, I can change. I think someone's life will be changing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And actually, I was actually looking for a change, and
Okay.
whenever I update in Naukri or LinkedIn, no one used to call me, and also I was in support. So I
Okay.
don't
Okay.
want to be in a shift again because it is very hard for me to manage everything in a shift.
Okay.
Later, I was thinking how to manage and switch a career from support to any other development. And I tried for Java, but I
Oh.
couldn't make it. And later, I saw that okay, data engineer, and I was working on a data warehouse as a
Mhm.
support. And so later, then I joined Vision Board. And when I joined webinar, I couldn't join actually. And later, then Rahima called me and she has asked me will you be able to join for the vision board? Then I was confused because I previously also joined some other institution for the courses, and they were not supportive that much. So I was
Okay.
confused, and later then I thought, okay, anyhow, I will just join vision board. And the structure of vision board and the learning path is completely different for it is compared to other institution. Actually, I will give a 5-star rating because continuous follow-ups are there, and also if you are weak in somewhere, since there is one-on-one connect, we can overcome that all, like uh, what all the struggles that we are facing. So that all helped, and also the recordings that we have after a live session. That recordings and also the interview preparation is also a very good actually. Since we
Okay.
have connection with everyone in our course, in our team also,
Mhm.
so, we will be getting more questions, and whatever the questions that they we have added in the site, it is very useful. Mostly everything is I asked repeatedly.
Okay.
Only some of the work-based questions will be different that we can actually frame according to the question that we have in the vision board. So
Mhm.
that also helped me a lot. Then Devi used to call me and ask for the updates. That also helped me.
Because
And when
Chippy,
I
initial days, I face like an you are good in at least you can able to answer, but the confidence was some
yeah.
missing in the initial stage, right? So
Yes.
when I'm calling to Chippy, I can easily understand. Okay, this is the one like a weak part. If
Mhm.
you once we improved, right?
Yeah.
I think once we connected, I think
Yeah.
once you start like, given the mock interviews, I can
Mm.
understand the tremendous change while speaking. So
Yeah.
after that onwards, we
Uh-huh.
can able to
I
get
got
like a more offer
three offer
letter.
letters. Yeah, after that I
Exactly.
got more offer letters, and I could perform very well in interview after the mock interview. And
Ah.
before, after getting first offer letter, then I thought, okay, that's fine. I will keep. And later, then I connected with Deepthi, one of she also we used to call each other, and
Exactly.
also Devi also called me and inspired me to get more offer. So I was attending more interviews and
Of initial offer letter, I think
yeah,
8 LP, 100% more.
yeah.
But 9 years of experience, you can deserve more. But
Mm.
always the issue was the base package, right?
Yes, yes,
The base
yeah.
package was very, very low. I can understand the situation. That is
Mhm.
completely fine, Chippy. If you next you can jump within 6 months, you will be getting like a better package. That's
Yeah,
not our fault, sitting in a comfort zone years and all.
yeah,
But
yeah.
I think now you took a best decision. You put effort. That is also appreciating from my end. Then crack the offer letter. And
Thank,
this is really good, GP. Like I'm getting this much of offer is not like I would say it's not an easy one.
thank you,
And
thank you, Devi.
I one more thing I just want to because Chippy put the paper in the November and December.
Mm.
So that time obviously like a
Yeah,
period of offer letters or attending calls will be very less. Otherwise, I think Chippy will be getting like a better offer. But Chippy, next
yeah.
time when you're jumping, right? So we can focus here. But I will guide you how you need to be focused in the next jump.
Yeah, I was thinking same thing. In this cycle also, I received calls, but since it is learning time also, so I
Exactly.
thought I will learn something from the current position and then I will check.
Exactly. So
Yeah,
that will be good. At that time, the baby will be like at least
yeah,
somewhat bigger. You will be
yeah,
getting like a better relief.
yeah.
Okay. That
Yes,
is
yes.
fine. But learning is we need to continue and we need to learn
Mm.
more things. We need to build a resume and we can
Yeah.
showcase because currently you can prove. Then one more
Mm.
thing I'm asking, how was your family's reaction?
Family, like they are 100% fully satisfied. They were very sad because the package that I am getting also is very, that is not it is not basic needs also we cannot meet with the package that I was getting, and they did not expect that I will get this much package yeah, while working. They are shocked actually.
Definitely. Give a big congratulations so I can
Thank you.
understand with the baby, Chippy was sleepless night. That is the reason I'm just
Yeah.
telling struggles, everything was behind, but like and she achieved it, right? We need
Yeah,
a
yeah.
I would say like an it's like a
Hard
very
work
very
definitely required. Hard work is required actually.
exactly hard work is required as a new mom. Everything you can see in the chat, Chippy. People also you are kind of an
Yeah,
inspiring others also, right?
yeah,
Obviously, it will be kind of a great achievement. So,
yeah.
yeah, I think family
Thank
also
you.
happy. It will
Yes,
be
yes,
good.
definitely.
And team, I'm just giving like a chippy based upon your offer letters and all. So we are announced like a kind of a gratitude gift cash prize 4,000 rupees. Okay.
Thank
So
you.
you can send anything whatever you want,
Yeah.
and we will meet in the March month. Okay.
Yeah,
Don't need
sure, sure.
to. I think work from home, right?
Work from home, but 12 days I have to go to
Oh,
office. So there is some client meeting and also I will be
uh-huh.
going for on 12th, March 12th. I will be going.
Okay, that is
Uh,
fine. Actually, we can look for like any other work from home opportunities, or that is
mm,
fine. Initially,
mm.
once you're getting right, it will be fine.
Yeah,
Okay. Chippy, call me, like any
yeah,
directly
sure.
call me, any kind of a doubt or something. Even
Yeah,
we can
sure,
do
sure.
Vimal also. If I'm not available, just connect with us.
Okay, sure, sure.
Okay.
Sure,
Oh,
Devi. Thank you, Devi and
thanks.
Vishnu God.
Thanks,
Thank
Chippy. Thank
you.
you so much.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah. Team, how are you feeling? I just want your answers also in the chat because when people are telling their true story, right? This has happened when I was also these kind of a stage in my life, really struggle. Like and people around, relatives, everyone insulted me. Say you are getting like a very low package. Why you are sitting like in 12 hours? These things. But one decision, one of my manager was insult me. So that one decision changed my life. I would say like fire. I just want to show them. I just want to prove who are insult me. So this is the same thing happening. Majority of the people are coming into the vision board. But I'm just telling, assume everything we will be taken, but effort, consistent effort you need to be do from your end. That is very, very important. Whatever happen around, lot of things, difficulties will be coming, but that inspiration, right? We need to show, we need to prove what we are. So that you need to be put there. That is the one request I'm to making to everyone. Okay, so I'm just inviting to others also. Like, and Manjari, are you there? Um, Manjari, are you there? I think previously Manjari has some issue. Manjari, are you able to hear me? Manjari, I think I invited to the stage also. Um, are you able to hear me? I think some issue with the. Manjari, can you mention in the chat also? Okay. Manjari, can you join? Is it possible? Okay, okay. I'm not getting. Okay, Manjari, I'm just one more time. I'm just inviting. Um, are you able to do this now, Manjari? Are you able to? Manjari, can you try now? Nothing. Okay. Now, Manjari, are you able to hear me now? Yes.
Hello. Am I
Hello.
audible now?
Yeah, yeah. Hi, Manjari. Happy to
Yeah,
see
hi,
you.
hi. Yeah, hi, Devi. Thank you.
Okay. Team, actually, we need to more support from Manjari also. We need to a big congratulation. Manjari, welcome to some of the time when you're calling you, right? So I was busy with these schedule. But
Yeah,
to
I
be
totally
happy,
understand.
you are getting a good amount of package and good offer letters also. I just give a big congratulations from my point. Okay.
Thank you.
So
Thank you so much, Devi.
yeah, you can give some introduction also, Manjari, like and how you achieve how was the things and all happened.
Yeah, so I just wanted to really start from the starting, like how I joined the vision board and when. So, I just wanted to make this transition since long, very time. So I just wanted to, I don't know how to start this. So while I joined Vision Group in back in June 2025, so back in
Okay.
May, while I got casually scrolling through Instagram, I came across a poster about Devi's webinar. So,
Uh-huh.
like something about it caught my attention. So, I decided to attend the webinar first. So, during the webinar, I was truly inspired by your confidence. So, the way you spoke and carried yourself made me believe that I too could transition my career into it.
Okay.
So until then, it felt like a big shift, especially coming from a different background. But that session gave me the clarity and confidence I needed. So I decided to take that leap. And all the topics were completely new to me at the beginning. But I committed myself to learning like consistently, day by day, and worked on improving my skills and understanding the concepts. And I started applying for jobs in September and began like giving interviews in October. So
Because you
my
can
first
understand the completely different background too. Like, and I would say confidence or like, and preparation is
Yes.
very important. Even the Manjaris, I think Rahima was guide you that time, right? Rahima.
Yes,
Then
yes. In the
Ashudi was
starting,
there. In the
yes. In the
starting,
starting, Rahima was there. Yeah.
then Ashudi was guiding the Manjari. I can see like, but apart from that, whatever the effort Manjari, if this, I think 12 plus, right? Manjari experience.
Eh, no, I have total 4.7 years experience.
4.7. Yes, yes. Okay.
Yes.
Once she has 4.7, I think 12 plus is, I would say like another person. So obviously transition would be easier. But like and obviously struggles will be there, Manjari. Initial
Yes,
transitions and
since I was coming from a very different background, so that this was very new for me. It's
mm,
like Azure Data Engineering course was very new for me. So I was not
everything
confident.
started from scratch, right? Everything you put
Yes,
effort
yes.
learning these implementations. And how many offer letter you crack, Manjari?
I have total four offer letters as of now and one in the pipeline. So that's why
Okay.
I'm
Oh,
also currently interviewing. So
okay. How many months are left actually?
my last working day is next week only, so I'll be joining. Yeah, I'll be joining probably second week of March. So I'm really very excited to start my this new journey.
New journey, right? Team, give a big congratulations to Manjari. This is not an easy one. I also know coming to this one,
Yeah,
but your hard work, your dedication is very important. And
yeah,
Manjari,
and
one more
even
thing.
your efforts also, Devi. Thank you so much for your all the efforts and support that you have given me,
Thank you,
and
thank
Vimal
you.
also.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks for your effort also because you can at least you're sharing your words, right? It will be completely fine. And I just want to one more thing. The when you making a transition, what are the struggles you face? How you overcome? I think maybe the people can, that will be inspiring you from your end.
Yes, so earlier I thought that when I'll be 100% ready, then I'll start giving interviews. So, but
Okay.
one thing I got to learn that you will never feel 100% ready. So you
Okay.
have to start anyway. So like for my first interview was very bad, but I was not I have used them to understand the industry experience. So
Mm-hmm.
tools can change, technologies can upgrade, but strong fundamentals will always support you. So some
Okay.
days you won't feel motivated. Like I have studied, practiced, and applied every day. Every rejection improves my positioning, and each no is preparing me for the right yes. So yeah,
Okay. Okay. That means rejections also as a part of the journey, right?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
That's yeah. And
Uh-huh.
that rejection just keeps on motivating me only. Like it's improving myself only. So that's why this past 3 months have been very important for me.
Okay, okay. That is also really nice, Manjari. But the transition, right? Anyway, that transition would that. I think if you need after joining the companies also, right? Any kind of a support. In case I'm not available, just connect with Vimal also. Vimal will
Yes, yes,
completely support. I think Vimal is taken the calls and all. So
yes,
connect with
yes,
Vimal, mention the consent. So definitely we can allocate because everyone know, every people are making a transition, learning a new skill. But what we need to, when we join a company also, we need to take an initiative. We can allocate it like an 11 hours, 10 hours doing extra. So
yes,
I can
yes, right.
feel your happiness. How was your family also, Manjari? How they are
Like
feeling?
they are also very happy and proud that I have cracked. At the starting I was only let me crack only one offer letter, but back to back I just cracked four offer letters. So they were very happy. I felt very proud that I
Oh,
just have cleared all the rounds and just moved in
okay.
them, moved in
Manjari,
here.
what was your package in the previous company?
Yes. It was very low, like it was around six. And
That is
now
very
I
low,
have
right?
gained 120%, around 130% hike I got.
Okay, that is completely fine. Coming into a different background, you are getting this one. So when
Yes.
then what will happen when you attending the next time, right? You will be getting a better because base salary they are all. You can also understand, right? The recruiter
Yes,
will
yes,
not give more salary based upon if you give show like and more on the base salary only they will be give you. So
yes, yes, that,
that is the reason. But now you will be safe because next gem after 1 year or 1.5 you can making a gem based upon the current salary you can able to show them this is the package. You can easily
yes,
achieve. Majority of the people are stuck in the base package in the initial it will not be increasing maximum
ye-
30 or 40%. But it's like a 120% is truly deserve more thing. Give a
yes.
big
So,
congratulations.
yes, I'm happy that I started at least. Like it was earlier, I was stuck around like how should I switch it, but I'm happy that I was able to complete it.
Exactly.
So
Now
yeah,
you made a transition and you got a better package also. That is very
yes, that,
important.
yes,
Because rather than sitting in the old technology or something, right, different field, now you make a transition. So
yes,
in the life will be more safe in your hand because we are working with the latest technology.
yes, correct.
Uh, Okay, that will be good, Manjari. I think we are expecting more of like in the coming months also, coming after the 6 months or 1 year also, you will be getting a better thing. Okay, just
Yeah.
focus, give all the preparation for that one. And team, I'm just given a small gratitude gift from our end. Manjari, we are announcing like a 3,000 rupees cash gift for you. So just congratulating for you, like in the coming days, whatever you want. Just do that one, share a picture with me so I would really happy whatever you got growth you get it.
Yeah, but thank you so much, Devi. Like this truly means a lot. Your mentorship itself has already been the biggest gift in my journey, and this gesture makes it even more special. So I'm really grateful for your constant support and belief in me.
Thanks, Mansi. Thank you for even some of the time I didn't get a take the sessions also because you can understand like multiple people will be coming. Sometime I'll be meetings are scheduled, but at least you can understand my situation.
Yes,
Prepare
yes, I
that one.
totally understand. Yeah.
Okay, thanks for your words also. So in the coming days, any kind of help you can connect with us. So in case
Sure,
I'm not
sure.
available, also Ashwini, Vimal, we will share maximum from our end. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
You can come to the
definitely.
vision board community also, like an after when you at least when you join the company. Okay, you can help the others also.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. I will love to be join here and just mentor the people also.
Okay, okay. Thanks,
Yeah.
Manjari. Thank you so much for your
Thank
time.
you so much. Yeah, thank you,
Yeah.
Devi.
Manjari, you can see the people also congratulating you in the chat actually.
Like, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you,
so
team.
much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Then one more person. I think Upendrasan, are you there? I'm just. I think he's not available. Okay, no worries. So at least next time also when I'm hosting, Upendrasan, are you there? So this is the initial phase of the vision board because we are conducting like an every month, like an first to these kind of a connect. So this will be motivating many others in our group. Okay. So how was it, team? I just want your answers also in the chat. Are you feeling confident and are you feeling like I get some kind of an energy? Majority of the Prabha, some of the people are from majority from batch 9, some of the people from batch 8 also. It was great. I think you will be. So I can see next winner, you will be the next winners. Okay, are you ready for the next winner and coming to the Vision Board Award night? And one day in 2026, definitely I will like and invite you as a physical meetup. I'm planning always, but it's not happening. But this time it will happen. It will be more motivated. Team, please prepare with the vision. What I can able to see batch 9, batch and batch 8 people also here. Just prepare with us. So I just want like a more offer letter. Our dream comes to more true in our life. So at least 100% you can put your effort, reminding, resume building, LinkedIn. We will do our from Havan. It's already proven. If you prepared that well, definitely you will be getting like a more offer letter. Okay. Okay, sure. Thank you, team. Thank you so much. So next time I will be given with the new people. I think some of the people are not available. So we will see you. Okay. Thank you. Bye.